Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make your engine and forks on a dirt bike look like it just came from the factory. So all you're going to need is a drill and a wire brush, drill bit, just like that, or a round one, like this. And all you're going to be doing really is drilling it. You're going to have the drill and you're just going to drill it all the way around the forks or the engine until it looks really nice. So I already cleaned up my engine and half the forks, and I'll show you what it looked like before. So started to clean up this side. It looks pretty bad. You can see it on top. Still looks pretty bad. And this fork, it's still kind of ugly. I'm going to do that one next. I'll show you the aftermath of that. But basically it'll look brand new, really nice. Let me get to it. Alright. Alright, so as you just saw, I polished up the fork. I'm not going to completely get it done in the video. I'm going to do that later. But now, I'll show you with the engine on sandpaper how to get little things like this out of that so it'll all look brand new like this does. Alright, so as you just saw in the time lapse, I got some high-grade sandpaper, went around all the edges here. It looks a lot nicer than it did. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more like this. I'll see you next time.